Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the document and selected the text you'll fix. First, save a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Then focus on the Home tab and the line and paragraph spacing control. This is where changes start. Click the icon to view presets like 1, 0, 1, 15, 1, 5, 2, 0. Choose one to test. You're taking action now, so pick a sensible spacing and observe the result. If it looks off, don't worry, we'll refine settings next. Now refine spacing with the paragraph dialog for precise control. Click the small arrow in the paragraph group to open it. In line spacing, choose single, 1, 5, double, or exactly. When you pick exactly, set the point value in the @ box to control exact line height. Also adjust before and after spacing to remove gaps between paragraphs. Once done, use the preview pane to confirm. Make sure to apply to the selection or whole document, depending on scope. Finish by ensuring styles reflect your spacing choices so changes stick. Right-click the style used and choose Update to match selection. That propagates spacing consistently. If spacing still looks inconsistent, select the text and click Clear Formatting to remove conflicting direct formatting, then reapply the style. Once done, save your document and view it in Print Layout and Print Preview to confirm final output. Troubleshooting tip. If spacing behaves oddly, check for hidden paragraphs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.